Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Welcome at Tabarak Academy. This is Amr, a Quran and Tajweed teacher for non-Arabic speakers. Inshallah, in this video, we are gonna talk about the second type of secondary mad due to Hamza is Mad Munfasil or disconnection mad. And we will cover what is the meaning of disconnection mad or Mad Munfasil, and we will practice on some examples. If you want to know, let's start. Disconnection mad or Mad Munfasil, if a letter of mad is at the end of a word and is followed by Hamza, which is present at the beginning of the next word, so the reader should stretch his sound 2 or 4 or 5 harakas. And inshallah, we will take some examples to make it clear for you. Let's do it. If you stop on the letter of mad when disconnection mad or with Mad Munfasil, you will pronounce the letter of mad with 2 harakas like natural mad. And this mad, we called it as optional mad. It's not obligatory like Mad Muttasil. We called it optional because we can stretch our sound for 2 harakas like the natural mad. Let's see some examples. When I say Inna arsalnak, okay, we have alif mad Inna followed by Hamza arsalnak, but between 2 words, so we have disconnection mad or we have Mad Munfasil. Okay, what if I stop on the letter of mad with disconnection mad? I'll pronounce it with what? With 2 harakas. So let's see it. When I say Inna, yeah, I pronounce it with 2 harakas. Inna with 2 harakas. And also the letter of mad will carry the wave sign like connection mad or like Mad Muttasil. As we have said, we called it as optional mad because you can stretch your sound 2, 4 or 5 harakas. Inna arsalnak, okay? Inna arsalnak, 4 harakas. Inna arsalnak, 5 harakas. When I say fi ayyam, okay, we have the letter of mad followed by Hamza between 2 words, so we have disconnection mad. What if I stop on fi? I'll give it 2 harakas. I'll say fi as a natural mad. Why we called it as optional? Because I can stretch our sound 2, 4 or 5 harakas. When I say وَمَا أُوتِي, yes, I have the letter of mad and Hamza between 2 words, so we have the optional mad, Mad Munfasil or disconnection mad. I can stretch my sound 2, 4 or 5 harakas. Alhamdulillah, in this video we have covered what is the meaning of disconnection mad or Mad Munfasil, and we have practiced on some examples. I think that's all I can see inshallah in the next video. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Salam.